Mastering multiple adjective prepositional phrases. Hello everyone. Welcome to another exciting episode in our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we are going to delve into the realm of prepositional phrases as adjectives, but not just any usage. We're specifically discussing advanced usage, using multiple adjective prepositional phrases in a single sentence. Buckle up because this is going to enhance your English writing and speaking skills in a major way. Let's first do a quick recap. Prepositional phrases as adjectives are prepositional phrases that modify or describe a noun or pronoun in the sentence. These phrases answer questions like, which one, or what kind? For example, in the sentence, the cat on the mat is black, the prepositional phrase, on the mat, is modifying the cat. It's telling us which cat. Now, onto the core of our lesson today. Sometimes, we use more than one adjective prepositional phrase in a sentence. The purpose? To provide more detail and clarity. Take this sentence. The man with the red hat at the end of the street is my uncle. Here, we have two adjective prepositional phrases, with the red hat, and at the end of the street. Both are modifying the man, and together, they give us a clear picture of who the man is. When using multiple adjective prepositional phrases, order can be important. The phrase that comes first usually gives us the most significant information. For example, in the sentence, the girl in the blue dress from my class is the top of her class. In the blue dress is more important in identifying the girl than from my class. Let's do a quick exercise. Try to create your own sentence with multiple adjective prepositional phrases. Remember, the first phrase should give the most significant information. Feel free to pause the video and resume once you're done. That's it for today, folks. I hope this lesson on using multiple adjective prepositional phrases has been enlightening. Practice is key to mastering this concept, so don't shy away from using it in your daily English. Thank you for watching, and keep learning. Happy studying!